Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another new vlog. You can see here lot of trees and greenery area. Actually, this is our land. You can see here we are playing here. We usually play cricket here. There is no proper pitch, but we play here. Our family members. At the moment, they are not here. They are. I hear their voice of my house side. You can see here some bamboo trees, bamboo bush. I cut it 1 year before. I removed it, but it's growing again. The small bush trees are growing again. You can see here. Actually, we don't want. That's why I cut off the old bush trees. But they are growing slowly, you see. And other side, that's my right side. You can see Baron Fedifield. Baron, it's belong to Kattapala. We call him Kattapala. It belongs to Kattapala. I think Kattapala. Actual name, I don't know exact name of him. Right, we call him Kattapala, but I think he has another name, Aryapala, Somapala, like that. Actual name we don't know actually. Very sorry. Right, you know what are these? These lawn beans. Still, we don't have crops. Harvesting, we don't harvest still. Right, it's growing. Here you saw one bitter gourd. Creepers of bitter gourds, but we don't see here some bitter gourds. Actually, we can see some flowers only. And main export spice is cinnamon. Those are very small plants, cinnamon plants. You can see here. Enough grown cinnamon, you can see. I'm walking through cinnamon gardens. They're talking at home, my family members. Now I am walking through cinnamon gardens. You can see enough grown cinnamon. Kurundu hondata wevichewa. Now we can cut them and finally we can export them to other countries, and we can earn dollars from cinnamon. See, coconut trees, huge coconut tree. What do they give us? They give us shade. They give us coconut. We need coconuts every day. When we cook, we use coconut. Coconut powder. Without coconut, our grandparents and our family members, they don't know cooking, right? Without coconuts. Actually, they need coconuts. Especially Sri Lankan people, we need coconuts. You know, Indian people, they can cook without coconut. Indian people වගේ කට්ටිය නම් දන්නවා ලෝකේ අනික හැමෝම වගේ දන්නවා මම හිතන්නේ කොකනට් නැතුව යන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා අපිට නම් ඒක කරන්න බෑ ශ්‍රී ලාංකිකයෝ හැටියට අපි කොකනට් කියන එක ප්‍රධානම භෝගයක් ප්‍රධානම අවශ්‍යතාවය. Right, you can see barren field. They don't use, but this was used in 5-6 years before. Now they don't cultivate here. දැන් මෙහෙ වගා කරලා නැහැ. මේක අපිට දකින්න හම්බෙන්නේ some wild grasses. සමහර තනකොළ ටිකක් දකින්න හම්බ වෙනවා wild grasses. This is young coconut. මේක තරුණ පොල් ගහක් තාම හැදීගෙන එනවා. Very small coconut tree. ගෙඩි කිහිපය අපට දකින්න හම්බෙන්නේ මේකේ පැලයක් නිසා. You see some banana trees and arecanut tree. Cinnamon bush, 1, 2, 3. 3 threads. We can cut off 2 from this. Making up a Haman in Dekako Hapla කරන්න පුළුවන්. මෙහෙම හොඳට වැවුණු පඳුරකින්. දැන් මේක ඇත්තටම කපන කාලය වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. මේක චෙක් කරලා තියෙන්නේ හෙට අනිද්දා මේවා කපනවා. We don't have huge land, right? We have very small land. That's why we can't make a lot of money from our land. But some people in our area, especially Gold District, Karandenia, you know, there are thousands of acres of cinnamon. They can make dollars, right? ඒගොල්ලන්ට ගොඩක් සල්ලි හොයන්න පුළුවන් මොකද? ගොඩක් වෙලාවට ඒගොල්ලන්ට තියෙනවා. අපේ ඒරියා එකේ තියෙනවා කුරුඳු හොඳට හැදෙනවා. This is our well ලින්දමේ තියෙන්නේ. But you can't see the deep, right? එක කැමරා බලන්න බෑ because of it's a little dark. Not little, it's a huge dark, right? That's why we can't see inside of the well. ලින්දේ ඇතුළ අපට බලන්න බෑ. ඒක ටිකක් ගැඹුරු නිසා. Right, I am walking through our lands cinnamon garden. කුරුඳ තුලින් තමයි මම මේ ඇවිදගෙන යන්නේ. ඉංග්‍රීසි භාවිතා කරනවා ටිකක් ලැන්ග්වේජ් එක හැටියට. ඒක ඔබටත් මම හිතනවා ප්‍රයෝජනක් වේවි. ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් කතා කිරීම තුලින් ඔබට ඒක යම් ප්‍රමාණයක අපි foreign languages ගැන ફોකස් කරන නිසා අපිට ඒවා යම් ප්‍රමාණයකින් අල්ලගන්න ග්‍රහණය කරගන්න වචන ග්‍රහණය කරගන්න ඔබට පුළුවන් වේවි. ඒකයි මම මේ පැහැදිලි කිරීම කරන්නේ. What happened to this field? I don't know. Actually, they started this field, right? This is actual rice field, but මේ වෙලාවේ ටිකක් මේ ටයිම් එකේදී මේ හැමදාම වගේ හොඳට හැදෙන ගොවි පොලක් මේක. මේ සරණන් එකේ තියෙන්නේ අපිට දකින්න හම්බෙන්නේ කැලෑවම විතරයි. මම දන්නේ නැහැ මොන වෙලාවද කියලා. මේක ඇත්තට මේ ගොවිතැන් කරපු එක. ගොවිතැන් කරපු එකක් වුණාට unfortunately we can't see rice plants here. Totally we can see wild grasses. තනිකරම අපිට දකින්න හම්බෙන්නේ තනකොළම විතරයි. මොන වෙලාවද කියලා හිතා ගන්න බෑ. මේක කවදාවත් එහෙම වෙච්ච ගොවි පළක් නෙමෙයි. හැමදාම වගේ හොඳට සරුවට වෙච්ච ගොවි පළක්. Right, this side barren. They didn't use them for 2-3 years, but they usually cultivate this area and they get enough harvesting. Right, this time destroyed, unfortunately. What happened? Other side you can see Grama Sevak office. It is closed actually. ඒක වහලා තියෙන්නේ අද. I think no, the Grama Sevak doesn't come today. They in Grama Sevak. That's why it is totally closed. Then another 2-3 officers come here. You know, agricultural officer, another Samurdi officer. Yeah, they are not here today. But in the morning, now I think times it's 9:30 or 10. They don't come, I think. Coconut trees. And sunny time. It's a beautiful and sunny time today. Okay. See you. Bye bye. See you in the next vlog.